Hey, welcome back, everybody. Thanks for stopping in here. Thanks for checking out the channel. I really hope you're getting value from all these videos I keep making and sharing with you. Today, we're on to number 4 in our 12-part series about ways to make money online. Today, we're talking about YouTube and ways to monetize a YouTube channel. Now, before we jump into this head on and dig into things, let's just clear up a few things, right? Like, one, starting a YouTube channel is probably the boldest way of all, right? You need to put yourself out there. You've got to commit. You've got to be on camera. You've got to have some sort of technical know-how. And most importantly, you've got to be very consistent with producing video content. So, what are other things we need to know? You got to be a little charismatic. It helps to have some sort of personality to bring to your videos. You don't have to be some outlandish comedian style, but there's ways to bring yourself to your videos and make money as a YouTuber. Now, I know what you're thinking. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have anything to bring to YouTube. But here's the cool thing, right? There's videos for educational purposes, right? Teaching somebody how to repair something, or showing somebody how to take better pictures, or showing people how to make money online. Those are educational style videos. Another style is unboxing videos. So you've got a product that you've received and you make a video unveiling, so to speak, the product you just received. So this is really cool if you're an affiliate marketer and you've received a physical product that you're promoting, because now you're presenting this package to your viewers in the perfect setting, because the supplier has packaged it just so you can get it and open it up and it's presented to you in this beautiful fashion, which is a great promotion tool for you and your affiliate business. Another way is gaming. This seems to be becoming more and more popular. Not a fan. I don't know why people would just sit there and watch people play video games on a video. I'd rather play them myself. I get it if you're looking to learn a certain tip or trick on a certain section of a game, but there are people who will watch people play a whole game. I don't get it. But if that's your thing, go for it. Whatever makes a buck, right? Another type of video style is comedy videos. Maybe you got a good sense of humor. Maybe you're an aspiring comedian. Get on YouTube. Make it happen. Vlogs. Vlogs are becoming more popular. Everybody's going from the written word to the recorded word. So it's here like this. So it gives it a more personal approach. And let's be honest, you can present a lot more value in a video in a less amount of time than it would take somebody to read all those words you wrote down. Plus, some people just don't want to read. So the one thing that everybody forgets is the basic function of YouTube. YouTube is owned by Google. Google is a search engine. YouTube is a video search engine. So YouTube pays its users based on ad views and ad clicks. So simply put, once you've monetized your channel, the more views you get, the more ad revenue you can generate from that video. So you can monetize your YouTube channel through advertising revenue. The other way is channel memberships. This is a cool feature I just learned about. I didn't know it was a thing. You can create memberships on your channel, and there's 5, I think, different levels they give you of membership content they offer. And it ranges from specific content to delivery style to member badges and all that kind of cool stuff. However, it is up to you to follow through and deliver, and YouTube monitors that. They make sure you're following through on your end of the deal. Another way is a merch shelf. So they'll allow you to have a section in your YouTube channel where you can advertise your merchandise if you have any, or if you were thinking about creating some, here's another way to market that merch. Basically, you can have your shelf display up to, I think it's 12 products, and you can set 12 specific, or you can set 12 randomized. And there's my phone interrupting us. Sorry. 12 randomized to just go through and promote your best sellers or your newest product or whatever, how it will go. So that's a cool idea. If you're already a brand and you're thinking about creating your own merch, now you know that YouTube's got an option for you. So maybe you're thinking, but I don't know what kind of videos to make, right? We covered that. Unboxing, educational, gaming, vlogs. It's all there. It's all there for you to do. Now, what if I'm not comfortable being on camera? Well, I'll tell you, there's options for that, right? You can get explainer videos, which are basically animated videos. You don't show your face. You just simply record a voiceover or have somebody record a voiceover for you. One great tool for that is called VidTune, and they do animated videos, which is great. Right? It really draws the attention, it draws people in. And it's a great way for you to start, especially if you don't like being on camera. Maybe you're not comfortable. Maybe you don't feel confident enough in delivering yourself on camera, and that's okay. There's ways around that, and we got you, right? You could also go to Fiverr and have someone draw you up an explainer video. You can go to Fiverr and get edits done for your video. You can go to Fiverr and get your YouTube banner done for you. So you don't have to be super tech savvy around this. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to really complicate it. So you're not comfortable being on camera? That's an excuse. We took care of that. You don't know what kind of videos to make? We covered that too, right? Educational, unboxing, vlog, comedy, gaming. The ideas are all there. You could probably watch 100 hours of YouTube videos to get ideas on what to make for YouTube videos. Do you know what I mean? So that's the basics of a YouTube channel, the basics of how to monetize it. I'm going to link to some documents that'll help you further understand how to monetize a YouTube channel below this video. And I'm also going to link to that VidTune I was telling you about, because it's pretty cool software. And I'll link to that below this video too. So that's it. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you're here. I hope you're finding value in these videos. I really do. I'll see you next week, where we jump on to topic number 5 about ways to make money online. Come on back. Have a good week.